Hi, my name is Mary, and today we're going to talk about whipstitch tacking. This is a method of creating a faced edge like a doubled neckband, as you can see here on the grist pullover, by sewing each of the live stitches to the inside of the fabric rather than binding them off, which keeps the edge stretchy and flexible. You'll start by working your edging to twice the length that you want it to be when it's finished, as instructed in the pattern you're working from. So here I want my edge to be about this length, so I've worked it to twice that amount. Then you'll break your working yarn, leaving a tail at least 3 times the length of the edge to be tacked. So I've got here 1 times the length, then twice, then 3. So now you'll fold the live stitches on your needle to the wrong side of the piece so that the needle lines up with the pickup row or the base row of the edge to which you'd like to attach the stitches, creating 2 layers. You'll want to thread your tail on your tapestry needle. This whipstitch tacking method consists of 2 main steps that will be repeated for each live stitch on your needle. First, you'll insert your tapestry needle into the first stitch on the needle purlwise and slip it from the needle. Then you'll bring the tapestry needle through the base row, taking a small stitch, and pull the yarn through. So we'll do that again. Bring your tapestry needle through the first stitch on the needle and slip it off. Oop, lost that one there. And I like to pull the yarn through each time. And then take a small stitch from the base row, pull the yarn through. So that's 2 stitches attached. You'll repeat these 2 steps across, matching your stitches to the ones in the base row as much as possible until no live stitches remain. So I'm going to do some more here. I'm going to take the stitch off of the needle with my tapestry needle, pull it through, and then take another stitch from the base row. So what this is doing is creating a little spiral of your sewing yarn, and you'll want to make sure that you don't pull that too tight since this edge should stay elastic. So I'm going to keep going here, 1 stitch off onto the sewing yarn, and then anchored down into the base row. And again, I'm going to keep going until all of my stitches have been secured. So off of the needle, into the base row, off of the needle, into the base row. So now you can see I've tacked down all of my live stitches. I have a really nice stretchy edge, and it is folded over and doubled. And after you're done, you can just anchor your yarn and weave in the tail. But that's it. Whipstitch tacking. Happy knitting.